Him and Her Pharmacy Honest Review, work before using. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick and a straightforward honest review about this Him and Her Pharmacy. So Him and Her Pharmacy is an online telehealth platform that offered prescription, medication, and health products for issues like hair loss, mental health, sexual health, and skincare. The company aims to provide convenient, affordable healthcare without in-person visit. And here are the key features about this platform. So one of the key features is online consultation with licensed healthcare professionals, discreet delivery of medication, services for hair loss, anxiety, depression, ED, birth control, and more. And also options to buy non-prescription wellness product. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, they give a convenience which gives access healthcare from home with no for physical visits, which is very convenient, and also discreet services. So medication delivered in unmarked package for privacy, and also comprehensive health support, which is a wide range of health issues addressed, and also positive customers feedback. Many users find the service helpful and effective. And here's the downside, which is the con about this platform. Some users report side effects from medication like Fintracid, and also most services are not covered by insurance, leading to out-of-pocket expensive, and also a transparency issue, which is criticized for not always being clear about potential risk and non-FDA approved state treatment. And here's the final verdict about this platform. Here and Here is a convenient option for those seeking quick and discreet healthcare solution online. However, it is crucial to research medication and consult healthcare professionals to avoid unwanted side effects. If cost and transparency are concerned, consider comparing options before committing.